Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see the day 2 activities of third instar stage in silkworm rearing. The third instar is a very important growth phase. During this time, the worms start eating more, growing faster, and preparing for the next molt. Proper feeding and hygiene at this stage will decide the quality of cocoon later. On day 2 of third instar, the silkworm become more active and start consuming large quantities of tender mulberry leaves. The leaves should be freshly harvested, soft, and chopped finely before feeding. Feed should be given 4 times or maybe 3 times at regular intervals, maintaining the correct temperature and humidity. Usually it should be maintained around 26 degrees centigrade and 80 degrees of humidity. Make sure the rearing bed is clean and dry before each feed. And also provide sufficient spacing so that the worms can feed comfortably and get enough air circulation. If you observe any unsized or weak or diseased worm, separate them immediately to maintain the health of a batch. So friends, this is how we take care of third instar silkworms on day 2. Proper management today ensures healthy growth and cocoon yield tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please share, like and subscribe to our channel for more sericulture updates and training videos. Thank you for watching.